Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the MSI GeForce RTX 2060 VENTUS OC Edition. Now for a short message. This video was made possible thanks to Hornington Computers, distributors in DIY PC components, gaming laptops, as well as gaming accessories. Give them a like on their Facebook page and remember to share this video. Thanks for listening. The GeForce RTX 2060 is Nvidia's latest addition and entry point to the RTX 20 series of graphics cards, and features the much talked about Turing architecture that allows the ray tracing capabilities. It comes with 6 GB of GDDR6 RAM and operates on a base clock frequency of 1365 MHz with a boost speed of 1680 MHz. The MSI VENTUS 6 GB OC Edition, as the name suggests, features an overclocked GPU that can run to a clock speed of 1710 MHz. For cooling, it comes with a large heatsink with copper heat pipes and is cooled by a dual Torx 2.0 fans. For connectivity, there's a total of 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. There's been reports that the RTX 2060 can easily outperform the GTX 1070. Well, let's find out. But before then, let's do a quick unboxing and build our test rig using the MSI GeForce RTX 2060 VENTUS OC Edition. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the MSI GeForce RTX 2060 VENTUS OC Edition. Alright, let's open this box. Okay. Oh, we have a nice envelope, MSI envelope. Let's see what's inside. We have like a welcome leaflet. There's the driver disc, as well as the MSI quick installation guide. Put that aside. All right, let's have a look. Where else? There's no cables, no connectors, just the graphics card itself. All right, there you go. There we have the MSI GeForce RTX 2060 VENTUS OC Edition. All right, let's start off with the fans. We have some nice fans here. This is the MSI Torx 2.0, the Torx twin fans. As you can see there, there's a nice large heatsink with copper heat pipes for your cooling. And then obviously nice branding there, the MSI with the GeForce RTX on top. I don't see any LEDs on this one or any RGB, so yeah, okay. There's the nice back plate here. It's a nice design, just gives it a bit of ruggedness to the graphics card. It doesn't seem like, nope, it's plastic. Yeah, it's not metal as I was expecting. And then for connectivity, you have 3 display port and 1 HDMI, which is more than enough. And remember, this is the entry level to the Turing architecture, the RTX 20 series. So don't expect huge comparison performance difference to the RTX 2070 as well as 2080. But however, people have been saying that it is performing better than the older generation, the GTX 1070. Oh, I forgot to mention also, it's powered by an 8-pin PCI connector right there for your graphics card. Alright, so let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs against the RTX 2070, which we previously reviewed, as well as the GeForce GTX 1070, which we have in our labs. So without further ado, let's get cracking. We'll see you in a bit. Well, what can I say? I'm seriously impressed with the overall performance of the graphics card. It easily outperforms both the older GeForce GTX 1070 and AMD's Radeon RX 590. During our benchmarks, it produced excellent scores in all of our tests, including UL's 3D Mark Port Royal with an impressive score of 3820. This card is already overclocked to 1710 MHz, the default is 1365 MHz, so I don't see the need to overclock it further. However, if you want to push it to the max, you can use MSI's Afterburner software, but please be very careful. Any overclocking is done at your own risk. Like the previous GTX 1060, there is no NVLink connector, which means you can't run two of these cards together in SLI mode. Apart from that, it's a great replacement or an upgrade if you already own a GTX 1060 or even a GTX 1070. If you want the latest Nvidia graphics card that offers ray tracing capabilities, GDDR6 video RAM with an overclocked GPU, then the MSI GeForce RTX 2060 VENTUS OC Edition is the card you want. Great performance, great price, and great value for money. And there you have it. This is the MSI GeForce RTX 2060 VENTUS OC Edition. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.